Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use set in C++. Set is a data structure that contains multiple elements. The elements are unique and there's no duplicate element. They cannot be modified as well. First, you need to include the set library. Then you can declare a set of integer elements, give it the type int and the variable name. To add an element to the set, we can use insert. See, you cannot add the duplicated elements over here. To get the number of elements in the set, we can use size. To check if an element is in the set, we can use count. To remove an element in the set, we can use erase. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.